The Nissan GT-R NISMO Special Edition stands as a testament to Nissan's commitment to performance and innovation. In a detailed YouTube review, enthusiasts and potential buyers are given an in-depth look at this limited production supercar, highlighting its design, performance, and unique features. Design and aesthetics. The exterior of the GT-R NISMO Special Edition is striking. It features a unique stealth gray paint, exclusive to this model, which gives it a stealthy and aggressive appearance. Complementing this are the 20-inch rays forged aluminum alloy wheels with red accents, adding a touch of sportiness. The clear-coated carbon fiber hood showcases intricate weave patterns, emphasizing the car's lightweight construction and high-performance intentions. Additionally, the NISMO exclusive badging and the new Nissan logo on the trunk lid and wheel center caps further distinguish this model from its predecessors. Interior features. Inside, the GT-R NISMO Special Edition continues its theme of exclusivity. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including leather-appointed seating and Alcantara accents. The dashboard layout is driver-centric, ensuring that all controls are within easy reach. While the interior maintains the GT-R's sporty essence, it also offers a level of comfort suitable for daily driving, performance, and engineering. Under the hood, the GT-R NISMO Special Edition boasts a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower. This power is channeled through a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing rapid gear shifts and seamless acceleration. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction, allowing the car to handle various driving conditions with ease. The inclusion of carbon ceramic brakes not only reduces weight but also enhances braking performance, ensuring the car can handle high speeds and aggressive driving maneuvers. Driving experience. On the road, the GT-R NISMO Special Edition offers a thrilling driving experience. The combination of its powerful engine, precise handling, and advanced suspension system allows for agile cornering and stable high-speed runs. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on highways, the car provides a balanced and responsive ride. The exhaust note is distinctive, offering a deep growl that resonates with enthusiasts. Technology and features. The GT-R NISMO Special Edition is equipped with a suite of technological features aimed at enhancing the driving experience. The infotainment system is intuitive, offering connectivity options and real-time performance data. Advanced driver assistance systems provide added safety, ensuring that the driver remains in control under various conditions. The integration of these technologies showcases Nissan's commitment to blending performance with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The Nissan GT-R NISMO Special Edition is more than just a car. It's a statement of engineering excellence and design prowess. Through the YouTube review, viewers gain a comprehensive understanding of what makes this model stand out in the GT-R lineage. From its unique design elements to its powerful performance capabilities, the GT-R NISMO Special Edition reaffirms Nissan's position in the realm of high-performance vehicles. For those interested in experiencing the GT-R NISMO Special Edition firsthand, it's recommended to visit a local Nissan dealership or attend automotive events where the car might be showcased. Engaging with the car in person provides a deeper appreciation of its craftsmanship and performance. Note: for a visual walkthrough and detailed insights into the Nissan GT-R NISMO Special Edition, you can watch the following video review.